It's a 2019 INFINITI QX50. This QX50 was created to elevate your driving experience with more responsiveness and more confidence. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Continuously variable automatic transmission, electronic steer-by-wire steering, integrated navigation system, remote engine start smart device, front heated leather bucket seats, automatic parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Of the QX50, Kelley Blue Book writes, "Step inside and try not to be impressed by the stunning interior with colors, shapes, materials, and surfaces that make this among the most luxurious in the segment." Driver-centric design puts you in the center of your automotive universe. Take it for a test drive today. Call us today at 754-220-2988.